In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front parking light on your 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. And it's only going to take us 5 minutes. So you're going to need 3 basic tools. That's the Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and a 12mm wrench. Open the driver's side door. Release the primary hood release lever. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, put one finger in there and lift it up. That's the secondary hood release lever. Now, you see that's the prop rod that will support the hood in place in front of the engine. Grab it, pull it out, and put it in over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now we need to take out 1, 2, and 3 bolts using the wrench, 1, 2, and 3 clips using the screwdriver. So first let's take off the clips. You can use your finger to support the clips as you're taking it out. Okay, then just use the wrench, take off the 3 bolts there. 2 of them are the 10mm and the last one there's a 12mm. Now let's take off the electrical connector. So just press it down with your thumb like that and pull it out. See, just press it down with your thumb like that and then just pull it right out. Now this is where the tricky part is, right? It's not hard, it's just tricky. So we need to slide the headlight out first and then it pops out. Okay, usually I just fast forward this part, but for this video I'm just gonna let it play in real time so you can see how it takes me about a minute or two to actually get the headlight out. Okay, once the headlight is out, I'm going to show you why we need to slide it out first before we get the headlight out. And as you're trying to get the headlight out, you will need to get some support from the bumper. You need to pull the bumper off a little bit and then wiggle the headlight out, then pull the bumper again. So just see how I'm doing it. And again, like I said, it's not hard, it's just a little bit tricky. That's it. Now the headlight's out. So there's 2 clips. So that's 1 clip over there and the second one's on the other side. Those clips, they go into the slots over there. That's 1 and the 2, second slot there. So we had to slide it out of those slots and then we were able to get the headlight out. Now that's 1, that's the high beam bulb. 2, that's the low beam bulb. 3, that's the turn signal bulb. And 4, that's the nighttime bulb, just a city light. So 4 bulbs there. Now that's the front parking light. So the way to access it is from right behind it. So that's a bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left and it comes right out. Now to get the old bulb out, all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out. That's easy. Get the new bulb, align it with the slots over there like that, and just push it in. Simple as that. Now let's just put the bulb holder back in its place. Just put it in, make sure it sits flush, twist it right, and that's about it. Now we're gonna put it back. Those are two slots over there to watch out for. Right, again, there's a little bit of a tricky part because we need to make sure that the clips that's on the headlight align and actually slide under the slots. So let's just zoom in over there at that slot and the clip over there. Okay. Again, I'm going to play this part of the clip in real time so you'll see how it takes me a while to actually align the clips over there with the slots. There I'm pressing on it. That's not gonna work. Put it out a little bit. Inside. Now push it in. Done. Let's put those plastic clips back in its place and put those bolts back on and tighten them using the wrench. 3 clips, 3 bolts. Let's not forget to connect the electrical connector. And now let's go check it out. That looks good, right?